Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, everyone. Today, I would like to present my article under the title of Analysis of English Foreign Language Students' Ability to Understand the Elements of the Three Billy Goats Golf Story. The authors of the articles are Susi Hanmati and also Mrs. Ira Mesara. Okay, let's see. There are 6 points to talk about this article. The first one is abstract, introduction, research methodology, findings and discussion, conclusion and suggestion, and also references. Okay, let's see one by one. The first one is abstract. In abstract, contains 4 parts. They are purpose of the study, method of the research, result, and also conclusion. The next one is about introduction. Introduction started by literary work that is an art, a form of expressing one's idea, knowledge, and entertainment in the form of written and oral by using beautiful language, which is contained of a social, psychological, spiritual, or political rules. As a story assigns students to distinguish the good characters and reviews the bad ones. The elements of story consist of theme, characters, setting, and plot of story. The next one is about previous study. There were some previous studies regarding the analysis of students' ability to find out elements of stories. Uliza et al. 2019, for example, they investigated the study under the title of Study on the Ability of the 6th Semester Students of English Study Program of FKIP of Riau University in identifying theme and elements of plot in the short story. The next one is Nodiansah et al. 2019 also studied the same research under the title of the ability in determining intrinsic elements of cerpen Salawat Badar work Ahmad Johari using test technique in class uh, 10 students SMA Hanura. The next previous studies conducted by Sumarni et al. 2021 entitled the study by ability of students to identify intrinsic elements in short stories from SMA Kesatrian to Semarang students through problem solving. After analyzing the data, the researcher conducted that the students' ability in identify intrinsic elements of story was in the criteria of good capable. Therefore, since there is no study conducted which took part junior high school students as research participants, so the present study investigated the students' ability to understand the elements of the Three Billy Goats Golf story at junior high school of 65 North Bengkulu. Okay, next about methodology. The method of the study used descriptive analysis to obtain the data from the test and questionnaire to 19 students of junior high school 65 North Bengkulu. The data analyzed quantitatively. Okay, let's see findings and discussion. Let's see the table one. The highest score of the students was in determining the characters of the story, which reached 81. It is thought that students' ability in understanding the characters of the story is able. It was consistent with the findings of Nurdiansa and all 2019 that the students of class 10 of SMA Hanura was in the range of very capable in understanding the characters of the story. Okay. From table 2, the result of the study showed that the mean score of the students in determining the element of story was 74. It means that the students' ability was in the range of quite capable. The ability of students in each element was in the range of able for determining characters, setting places, and setting of time, which the mean score was 81, 78, 76 in sequence. And also, it was similarly to the result of Sumarni et al. 2021 that the students of SMA Kasatria 2 had good capable in determining the setting of the story. Besides, the findings was almost similar to Uliza et al. 2019 that identifying plots of story were the most difficult part for the students of English study program of FKIP Riau. It was in the range of poor to average. Okay. This table 3 factor influence students' understanding in determining the elements of story. The next one, conclusion and suggestion. Therefore, the present investigation was limited to analyze the students' ability to understanding the elements of the 3B Ligos Gaps story at Junior High School 65 North Bengkulu. Furthermore, the limitation was the factors influence the students' ability in determining the elements of the story. So, it is assumed that the findings would be useful for other researchers who would be interested to investigate the same research. It is also supposed giving new insight for conducting further research regarding the story for kids. Okay, this is about the references. Okay, I think that's all about my presentation. Thank you very much for your attention. I'm really sorry for making mistakes. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.